Alright guys, it's here. And I got this package from Amazon. Thank you Amazon for giving me this delivery. Let's see if I can open this and see what's inside. I got my scissors. Now I'm going to cut it open. It looks like I cut the tape off. I hope it's going to be something very special. Something like childhood, book, or DVD. Let's see what it is. Alright, time to reveal what's inside. Could it be dun da 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 da. It's Zoom into engineering from the TV show Zoom. Yep, released at Chick-fil-A back in 2005. Yep, I ordered it with my credit card. Now, as I was saying, I've been having this book since I was 5 years old. And it has lots of zoomers. See the page? Front and back. And it has lots of stuff too. See? Yep, it brings back so many memories. And I appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. Be sure to smash the like button, comment down, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and share it. See you all in the next one. And I'll be doing more as usual.